to my channel and welcome back to one more useful and informative video. Today, let us talk about a theory on human motivation. It was introduced by Abraham Maslow in the year 1943, and that's the reason why this theory is called Maslow theory. This theory actually helps you all to learn the need that influence human behavior. Human behavior is driven by needs and pursued in a step-by-step manner. Guys, you can also find the 50-30-20 rule link in the description below because this is the one thing which actually helps you all to manage your expenses based on your needs and wants. So now let's see the 5 steps in Maslow theory. Generally there are 5 levels in this triangle with basic needs at the bottom and high level needs at the top. And one person can move to the high level needs when he can fulfill his basic needs at the first. The 5 basic categories of needs are psychological, safety, love, esteem and self-actualization. These are the basic categories by which people are motivated. Now let's get into the topic straight away to know more about Maslow theory. The first one is psychological needs. These are the basic and essential needs that are required for any individual to survive. They might include the need for food, water, warmth and health. A person's motivation at this level derives from their instinct to survive. The person needs to completely satisfy this level just to begin pursuing further levels. The next comes safety needs. As you know, the safety needs consist of physical protection, healthcare and stability. By considering the current situations, an individual needs some health and economic safety to live and thrive in these modern societies. This might refers to the need for job security, stable income and savings. One method of achieving economic safety is to learn proper investment strategies. One can achieve safety needs only after fulfilling his basic psychological needs. The next comes love and belongings. Humans are social creatures and we need to give and receive friendship, love and to feel like they belong in a group. When these needs are not met or not achieved, then they may experience some loneliness and depression. Having social connections will result in some better physical and mental health. The next comes esteem. Esteem needs are related to a person's need to gain recognition or status or feel respected. Once someone has fulfilled their love and belonging needs, then they obviously seek to fulfill their esteem needs. So these esteem needs are categorized into two types. The need for respect from others and the need for respect from oneself. Respect from others relates to like achieving fame or prestige or recognition. But respect from oneself relates to some dignity, confidence, independence and freedom. The next comes self-actualization. This is the final level and at this point, people strive to become the best that they can possibly can. This is the stage where the person starts to realize his full potential. We can take an example of pursuing life dreams or obtaining some skills like caring and contributing to some social development or seeking some happiness from others. It is living life to its full potential. Maslow separated his hierarchy into 2 different types of needs: growth needs and deficiency needs. Okay, I'll put an image over here so that you can understand it in a better way. The main difference between growth needs and deficiency needs is a change in the motivation as the needs are met. You know what? Motivation increases as the growth needs are met. Conversely, motivation decreases as the deficiency needs are met. A satisfied need will no longer motivate a person. What actually motivates a person is the next high level needs. Okay, now let's take an example of a person who is working in an organization. When it comes to organizational needs, the psychological need for an individual will be his basic salary just to meet his basic requirements. After achieving his basic salary, the next step would be his need for savings for his future, and this falls under safety requirements or safety needs. To have a growth in life as well as career, one person has to have his cordial relationship with his family as well as colleagues. And an employee can be motivated through his rewards and recognition for the work and effort he'll put in the organization. And after achieving all the levels, the final stage for an individual would be self-exploration for achieving his goals and dreams. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon for further notifications.